I am Damien from Pulling Money Trading. Right. Subscribe, press the notification button for more videos. Thank you for watching. Let's get right into it. FX trading, trend trading. Trading rules. The aim is to consistently pull money out the market. No trading strategy is 100% effective. Don't risk more than 2% of your account balance on any one trade. Use at least a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio when trading, when taking a trade. Eliminate the fear of losing. Losing is a must in trading. Trade your system over and over, win or lose. Ensure that your trading system have at least a 50% win rate. Making money trading solely depends on the trader, not the trading system. Trend trading. At the end of this session, you should be able to identify what is a trend, outline the different types of trend, apply the methods of trend trading. Trend trading. What is a trend? What is a trend? A trend is the market moving in a specific direction, creating a series of 2 or more higher high and a higher low. HH mean higher high, HL higher low, or lower high and a lower low. LH lower high, LL lower low. So let me repeat. What is a trend? A trend is the market moving in a specific direction, creating a series of 2 or more higher high and a higher low, or lower high and a lower low. Alright? If you have any question, feel free to leave it in the comment section. Right? So let's move over to the chart. Let me explain what that is all about. So right now I'm on trading view, right? So this is where most people do their analysis, and most people use trading view for training purposes. All right, so right now I'm on the GBP US dollar, the 4-hour chart, right? So trend trading is the market moving in a particular direction, creating a series of higher high and higher low, right? Or lower high and lower low. That is regarded as a trend. Okay, so right here, if you notice, the market come down to this point right here. The market move up, right? Right here is regarded as a higher high, right? The market move down. Right here is regarded as a higher low. The market move up again, higher than the previous high, which is another higher high, right? And then the market move down again, lower than the previous low, which is considered as a lower low, right? Then the market move up again, higher than the last 3 highs, which is another higher high. Then the market move down again, right? Lower than the previous low, right? Which is also regarded as a higher low. Okay, so that is a uptrend, right? So let me just identify the points, right? Right here is 1 point. Right here is another point, right? Right here is another point again. Right here. right here, and right here, right? So let me include some text. So you have the first higher high, right? You have the higher low. You have the second higher high. You have the second higher low, right? So this is regarded as a trend, right? A series of higher high and higher low when the market is moving in a particular direction. So the market is moving in an upward direction, creating a series, right, of two or more higher high and higher low, right? So this is one higher high, this is another higher high, this is the first higher low, this is the second higher low, right? So once you can identify two clear higher high and two clear higher low, that confirm the trend, right? If you don't have something looking like this, right, then the trend is not valid. It is not a valid trend. So you must have, right, a series of higher high and higher low when the market is moving in a particular direction, and you must have a series of lower low, lower high, and lower low, right? Let me move the chart over, right? Now over on this side, the market was at this point right here, right? All right, so over on this side, the market came into this area right here, right? Market came into this area, right? Then the market moved down to this area right here, right? Creating a higher low, creating a lower low, right? Then the market moved up to this area, creating a lower high, right? Then the market moved down to this area, right? It didn't create a lower low because this area is not lower than this area. So the trend wouldn't be valid until the market create two clear lower high and lower low, right? Then the market came down to this area and create a lower low, right? Which is lower than the two previous low, right? Then the market create a lower high, right? So this is where the trend become valid right here, right? So let me put them in, right? So this is one right here, This is one right here, right? This is not a lower low because it is not lower than this low. This is not a lower high because it is on the same level. So right here, the trend would not be valid based on principles, right? Based on principles, the trend would not be valid yet, right? So when you come down to this level now, right, that is where the trend create another lower low, right? The trend create another lower high, sorry, right? And then right here, this is where the trend become valid, right? So lower high, lower low, lower high, another lower low, lower high. So a series of lower low and lower high, right? And this is a downtrend, right? This is where the trend become valid. And if you notice, the market pushed down further, right, before changing direction, right? So that is right. So let me put it in. So there you go. Again, right, a trend is regarded as the market moving in any one direction, creating a series of higher high and higher low, right, or a series of lower high and lower low, right? So the market is moving in a downward direction, right, creating first one lower low, then it move back up, create a lower high, right, which is lower than the highest point, right? Then the market further move down, create another high which is on the same level of the previous lower high. So this cannot validate the trend because it is on the same level of the lower high. So the market is trying to gain a sense of direction. So the market create another lower low which is on the same level of the previous lower low, right, which is also not validating the downtrend because it is on the same level. So the market is gaining a sense of direction right here, or some people would say consolidating or trading flat. Then it push down, create another lower low, which now gives us a series of lower low, right, which we can say, all right, That is the first sign of validation, right? Then the market push up, creating another lower high, which is lower than the previous highs, which validate the trend, right? Then you have a downtrend, right? Then the market further pushes down, right? So that is it for today, right? Come back for the next video, right? And trend trading continues, right? In another video. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, right? Help me to grow this channel.